本地吧。Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, good night.
Good night.
It's
That means in night.
7 a.m.
Hello to everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Okay.
I'm sorry, but my camera is not working now. I try to make it working, but it's not possible.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Our voice is clear.
Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you. Can you hear me?
Yes, hello. I can hear you.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, it's time now. Let's begin the training. Okay, everyone else. Can you see this film, the PPT?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's begin with tonight's training. Hello, everyone. My name is Yu Chao. You can call me my English name Adam. I come from the after-sales department of the Nanjing Flower Medical Company. It's my honor for you coming to listen my introduction of this machine, the PLX118F. I will mainly introduce this installation of operation process of this machine. Okay, let's begin with this PPT. The machine model is PLX118F frequency mobile digital FPD CM system installation introduction. I will show you the introduction and operation of the maintenance. See this picture. This is for our CM PLX118F. It contains equipped with 3 screens. It consists of this one is the CM host, and this one is the trolley, is the workstation trolley. And see this is the flag payload detector, and this is the CM and the mobile rack. The down one is the X-ray source assembly. The X-ray source assembly contains X-ray tube and colorimeter inside. Here, we can see the electrical control component inside in the blue cover. And the red one is the workstation trailer. In this here is the computer and the UPS power supply. The machine equipped with 3 monitors. Hello? Any question?
Chinese.
Okay, let's begin.
Hello?
Before we install the machine, we need to confirm the installation environment. The first one, ambient temperature.
Can you hear me, sir?
What's the problem? Please hear to me. Okay? Let me continue. Next one, the relative human detail. The 30 to 75. This is the power voltage is very important. Before the installation, we should to measure the voltage is 220 and a single phase. And the power cut no less than 2.5 kHz. The power frequency is 15 Hz. And the next one, the power supply internal resistance no more than 1 ohm. The power capture capacity is 3.5 kilowatt. And the overcurrent release characteristics is 60 ampere. And the last one, we need to take a good proactive ground terminals and ensure the reliable connection of the proactive grounding. This is for the ground line. We need to have a good ground line. Next is the introduction in introducing the tools. Before installation, we need to prep. We need to some tools you need to prepare before installation the machine. And prepare 1 millimeter. This 1 millimeter is must be needed, and the caliber and electrical hand drill. You can prepare according to this picture. Next, unpacking. Look at the wooden box. Before unpacking, we need to check whether the wooden box of the machine is damaged. Please take some photos around the wooden box. You can see that the outbox is normal. If there is any damage of the wooden box, please take photos for record and find the cause of the damage, and feedback to us in time. And then we can remove the wooden box. Firstly is for the upper cover. Remove the upper cover. Like this. And then remove the fixing bracket around the C-arm. And this remove the screw around the C-arm. We need to take some photos before unpacking. This tool is for the power supply, a single phase voltage, and zero ground voltage. We need to ensure the power supply is good. And this picture is to ensure the wooden box is good, and you need to see the negative, the position of the whole machine clearly. If you can't see clearly, please take more pictures from us. This one is for photo for the shaping marks, and this one is the engineer machine photo. Okay, this picture shows us the processing. Sorry, is the accessories. After we unpacked the wooden box, we need to put the accessory together and take a photo. And check whether the accessories are complete and intact one by one, according to the accessory list. If there is something missing, damaging, please take photos and contact us in time, so we can send you a new one. Next, we need to put the C-arm host to down the bottom. So we need to connect the power card and turn on the power supply. To turn on the press the up. Oh, sorry. This step is to release the C-arm. So we can remove the wooden support near the workstation trolley. Here we need to connect the power card and press the power button. The up button is on each side of the control panel. Here and here. This shows so we can remove the workstation trolley. First, remove these screws and remove the wooden bracket and remove the workstation trolley. Remove those fixed screws. And install the 4 wheels. After that, and use open-end wheels to adjust the screws to make the instrument horizontal, and then tighten the screws. This step is used install the wheels, and put the trolley workstation. Put the workstation trolley horizontal. Here, in front of the CM host, we need to remove the cross screw for fix the plastic cover plate at the front end of the host, and then remove the fixing screw of the base of the host. This one. Remove this screw so we can take out this cross screw, and then remove this screw to unpack the host. After taking out the fixing bracket at the front of the end of the host, replace the fixing screw of the cover panel at the front end of the host. So let's power on the machine and use the lowering button to lower the C-arm to the lowest position. And take out the fixed icon block of the disk. Adjust the vertical position of the C-arm and the ground. Place the slip plate and move the machine off the packing platform. And this wooden is for move down. So next, we can install the flat panel detector. And we first open the flat panel detector packing box and remove it. Before installation the FPD, we need to connect the flat panel wires as shown in this figure, and then fix the flat panel on the bracket with 6 screws. Connect the infrared switch on the housing, and then install the front of the and Zero housing of the flat pallet detector. Please notice those wires. We need to first connect those wires and then fix the flat pallet detector. And we go back to the workstation trolley, and we need to install the UPS power supply and the computer in the workstation trolley. Those power supply, those wires is for power supply for the computer host and two screens. Computer installation. Remove the wirings and through as shown in the figure, and remove the computer fixing in our phone. And adjust that computer to the paper position. Fix the computer with fixing a tape. Fix the lower frame. Fix the wire through. Arrange wires and put them into the wiring in through, and fasten the wiring through the cover plate. Here is an toggle. Without the toggle, if we forget it, we can't open the workstation software. So this one is also important. At last, we need to install the two display. This two display. We first need to install the display support brackets and then install two display. And install the power card and the video cable of the display machine. Please do it according to these pictures. Next one is the calorimeter. Before installing the calorimeter, we need to check the tube window for bloops and oil leakage, and then fix the calorimeter on the tube window and adjust the red screws positioning in line in the center of the flat pallet detector. And these two, here and here. Sorry. This one is the red screw position line. Next step, I will show you the machine introduction of the operation. Show this, look at the connection board section, and this one is the air switch, and this is the power plug, and this is the control card. The foot switch is ground. And this is the control panel. These two buttons, up and down. This is also up and down. for the CM lifting, and this is the power off, and this is power off, power on and power off. There is 3 indicator, and this one is green. The green indicator is for the X-ray preparation, and this one, the yellow one, is the X-ray, shows X-ray out, X-ray indicator, and the red one is for the alarm. This button is for the colorimeter counting. Iris open and close, lead door open and close, and lead door rotation, anti-clockwise and clockwise. This is touch screen. This one is the UPS power supply. It can protect the computer from suddenly power off. This is the hand switch. This is the full switch. The full switch, and the yellow one is for the fluoroscopy, and the blue one is for the photography. This is the hand controller. This interface is the same with the touch screen. Here is touch screen. There is a 4 model, the manual model, and the automatic model, house model, photography model. Next is the host boot. I turn on the whole machine. Before test the machine, we need to connect the power plug and the hand controller and the hand switch full switch to the machine first, and then connect the 60 ampere power plug to the power outlet. So this here we can also need to measure the power supply in the room. The power supply should be 220. And also the zero ground voltage, it should be less than 5 volts. And then we can put the security brake in the on state. It means the air switch, and the machine self turn on itself, and the whole machine is power on. Sorry. This step shows the machine enters the board interface. We need to press the power button and this one to turn on the device, and then the UPS power supply and the computer turn on the automatic. So our machine have the function of 1K2 on off. That is, you can turn on the other device by only press the start button, or turn off the device by only pressing the shutdown button. When you press the power on button, the whole machine will turn on automatically, and then when the computer turn on and the login interface will open automatically after the computer turns on. And if you exit this interface, we can see this icon on the desktop. And double-click this icon, we can open the workstation. Okay, this is the login interface. And in the login interface, we see two username, admin and ABC. The admin compared with ABC, admin can delete images and create a new account such as ABC. And its password is itself and admin, ADMIN. But the ABC don't need a password. We usually log in the interface, log in the workstation with ABC URL. This way enter the workstation. We need to, before capture images, we need to click this patient date to enter the patient registering interface. At this interface, we need to enter patient information such as ID number and name, age, and other patient information. And then we can click this save to enter the capture interface. After clicking this save, the system will automatically enter the capture interface. And we can also click this capture to enter the capture interface. This is the enter capture interface. Click save or capture to enter the interface. We need to complete the image capture of the patient examination sheet as shown below. Here you can see the reference display and the main interface. The reference interface is used as the choose image from image when we release the photo switch. And the main switch is shows the real-time image. Sorry. This interface is capture is for we can press the space on the keyboard on the keyboard, and this finger is the same with the touch screen. We can select in the touch screen and also in the computer in display. This is human body and the foot, neck, This is for the people says fault or normal. And this is the position necessary. This is for adults or children. And this one can reset. The content display this one 5 minutes. When this minutes is gone, and we can press this time reset to reset the time. We usually choose the fluoroscopic automatic model because it's no need detector to no need doctor to choose the parameters. The doctor just choose this fluoroscopy and automatically. We can connect this air, is all air, and enter to the automatic workstation. Automatic work interface. Select the operation board part. This one is for example hand, and you can choose this and this kilowatt milliamp didn't adjust. Then we can press the foot switch and the present image is displayed on the present screen. Present screen. It shows the real-time image. And while for the clear image clear, release the switch and the reference screen will display the image of the moment when the foot switch is released, as shown below. There is some tools used for adjust the image. Reset, adjust wide and horizontal action. Okay, that's the one. That's the capture is the process. Here we can see some tools for adjust the image, such as 1 window and 4 window, 9 window. And showing this picture. This is the horizontal image, and this is the vertical image. Zoom in, zoom out, adjust the zoom size, and the clockwise rotation. This is for the test. And the positive and negative image. We can also adjust the image with our mouse. The next one is for the measure. The last advance is image processing. This is for the measure function. You can see. The last one is advanced processing, image smoothing, and image shaping. There are very function. Yes. Next, for the reports. For the doctor diagnosis of the patient examination states by reading film. And we can also print the report if you have a printer, paper printer. And this app, we can add 3 images and also can delete. Next one is the film printer. If the machine connects with the printer film printer, we can print the film. Enter this film printer interface and set the parameters request and for printers. And then press this one to printer. Here. Next one is for the setting. We can choose some setting in this setting, such as create a account, such as ABC user, and set the hospital report name. And the database shows admin review. This film is for the film setting. It's for the printer setting. And we need to use admin username to set the IP and film the parameters. This IP and put AET. Next one is shutdown. We can only press the power off to turn off the whole machine. Before turn on the whole machine, we need to connect the exit to exit workstation software, and then press the power off button to turn off the whole machine. And the computer and the UPS power supply will turn off automatically. And after the computer is turned off, see its indicator is net off. And also look the UPS power supply is the indicator. After this, turn off and set the air switch to the off state and plug the power card. Okay, next one is the maintenance. This interface shows us the maintenance for daily check and weekly check every 6 months. See this content. Usually we need to check the single indicator and the indicator map are normal. And in weekly check, we need to check the oil leakage occurs with X-ray tool. Check the X-ray source assembly has abnormal noise during the expose. In every 6 months, we need to check the earth resistance of the complete machine and confirm it's less than 0.1 ohm. We also need to check the power supply is 220 and the zero ground voltage is less than 5 volt. And the next check is the screws used in machine are loose. If any of them are loose, tighten it. Check the secured panel for the fixing and crossing. Use connector to remove the dust on them. And also we need to check the C-arm can move freely and if it has abnormal noise. Check if operating handles works well, if the complete machine moves freely. Check the center of the X-ray generator assembly and collimator. This just turn on the collimator. If we need to clean the machine, it's necessary to clean and the equipment for some reason. Don't rinse the equipment with water to prevent damage to the equipment. When clean and disinfection, to cut off the power supply and then use cotton fabric wrapped in clean agent or disinfectant to wipe the equipment. Before cleaning, we must to cut off the power supply, unplug the power plug. It's important to protect our machine. Okay, the PPT is over. Let me see our video for the installation and operation. Please wait for a moment. Okay, see this machine. This video is for the instruction. Install the workstation views. The two views in front of the workstation trolley have the black faction.
Mr. Aiden, you paused the screen share.
Please again. Sorry. This is the flat panel detector. Sorry, there is a mistake in this video. Sorry, let me check it. Please wait for a moment. Turn on the machine with its power supply. For install this flat panel detector, we need two people to help. This is install the handle. on the CM. This one is for the CM sleep on the rack. The CM can sleep on a rack for more than 120 degrees by these two handles on each set of the CM. This one. This is colorimeter. Okay, the CM can also move forward and backward for 200 degrees distance. Sorry, for 200 distance. Controlled by this handle. Next to the CM. And the CM can also rotate around the horizontal by 360 degrees. And the CM can also swim around the activity axis around about 30 degrees. This one is for the support of the display. This one is for meter the wires. So we send those wires across through the support. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry. There is something mistake on my computer. So sorry. This is for the ground line, video line and pro line. Layer 3, video line, video cable. Need to plug in the computer host. The last thing for the photo switch hand controller. The machine equipped with two photo switch. One is connected to the workstation, and another one is connected to this CM host. The yellow one is for the fluoroscopy. When we use the automatic model, we need to press the photo switch for more than 3 seconds to 5 seconds. This is the setting. If you have any question for the setting, you can ask us to. Okay, video is over. Okay, hello everyone.
thank you for the wonderful training.
Hello.
I enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you
the
very
best.
much.
All the best. I learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
expecting
Aidan.
to see a better
Okay, you're welcome.
sometime.
Thanks for your listening, my
Hello.
Thank you very much.
this tonight training.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
you, Mr. Edison.
If you have any question, please contact us, manager, to tell me. I will send you with the film. Okay, the training is over. Thanks for your listening again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
I
you
will.
to you.
Thank you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye. I will send you the PPT and the video through the manager. Goodbye.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're
you
welcome.
very much. So we are going to drop us for a question because after going through the training, you have to raise some questions, technical questions, and send back to you. So give us the platform to forward those questions that we're going to raise later so that we're able to address it and solve the problem.
Okay. Yes, if you have any question, you can send it to me through our business manager, and I will send you with a file. Answer you. And after this training, I will send you this video and the PPT. Okay, goodbye.
Hello. Good afternoon, Aiden. How are you?
Thank you. How are you?
Yes, good man. Look, thank you for the presentation. You are speaking to Nigel here from South Africa. I know
Yes, hello.
the rest of the guys. Greetings to everyone. I just that you didn't really touch much on the SMAs, you know, so the service and maintenance, and just when you have to do the installation, which forms part of the contract, right? I'm not sure if you're still going to follow up with another presentation, but I should mention that in this country, I mean South Africa now, their main focus is support. So if your company has very strong support and
very strong support,
and your Yeah, and your service and maintenance also, because most of the companies now, I mean, they started with
Maintenance
1 year.
will support online.
Yeah, so they started with 1 year service and maintenance, and now because of the competition within the vendors and amongst the vendors, they have actually moved up to at least 2 to 3 years service and maintenance. So in that regard, I think they will appreciate very strong support, because I've observed that with PAX, because there's a lot of PAX products in the country which actually connect to
Yes,
your
but
type of modalities, and they don't really care much about the price and the cost of the equipment, but as long as the equipment is well supported and it's well maintained, so we hopefully we can take this offline again, you know, and just discuss it further. But thanks for the presentation.
Okay, your question is too long. And can you send me with a film? You can ask our business manager, and he will send it to me, and I will
Yes,
answer
no,
to you.
I mean, yeah, I'm in constant contact with Eric. So
Eric.
I will, yeah. So I will give you some feedback, but there is a process that we are still following up with regards to South African health professions products. You know, because
Yes,
now
please.
it's a SAPRA. So so this current unit that you've just presented is already registered. So I think we are in the process of communicating with the local company in terms of placing this unit in the market. And so far, there are a couple of attractions. There are people that we've managed to attract. However, the local company hasn't responded, because there are two markets in this country, and the strongest market is the private market. I mean, as you know, and then the public sector market, you know, it depends on the availability of tenders. So if there are no tenders, it means your sales also will drop. They will stop for a while. But the most guaranteed one is in the private market. So in that sense, the aim is to communicate with the current company to say, look, which are you choosing? Are you choosing to work with Perlaf in the public market, or you are choosing to work with Perlaf in the private? So in that sense, we get the feel of the market, because since they are locally based, we can depend on them to register the equipment, right? And then with the private market, should there be any sales, or which there will be sales, then they are paid on a commission basis. But we can take that offline. I think Eric is doing a good job so far.
Okay, about your question, you can discuss with our business manager. He will answer you very detailed.
All right, Aiden.
Okay, thanks for your listening. Goodbye.
one more thing. One more thing.
Okay.
Before you close this meeting, the other thing is that
This meeting, what do you mean?
When it comes to a demo, you know, I know it's a bit difficult for you to ship in a demo unit.
Yes.
But I will advise that PLX try to organize a demonstration, more like a demo, like a live demo, which is the modality itself, so that the doctors here can view it also. But we can also just discuss that. But for you to take notes, the market here, they don't just listen to you when you say you have a medical device unit. They want to see it, they want to play with it, they want to touch it, and then they can ask you for a quotation. So I'm not sure how you can, I mean, what are your challenges with facilitating that process?
Okay. You can feedback to your question to our business. And we will discuss about your question. Okay.
Okay, noted.
Okay, goodbye. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.